Hello, my people. It's your boy, Kebu TV on the NNC, and today is Tuesday, the 17th day of December 2024. I don't know how I report about now roads. I don't know with the street lighting. Governor, only we go now a chair road, but here are Ndoki roads. Ndoki Ebidoro not long ago, but today Ndoki is now, so we are in a new look. Today on Tuesday, as I said, the 17th day of December 2024. Let me take the time. Time take is a minute after 8. 1 minute after 8. No look at on Ihuaro back to back. No look at Ihuaro bomber to bomber. Doing what they know how to do best. Doing asphalting through direct level under the Ministry of Works. Abia State. Under this present government in Tibet, this ministry here we can be proactive. Here we can ban on imoro. Here we can now be purpose driven. Now bomber to bomber. Before over the years, successive governments made them to be moribund, abandoned, and also had also salary earners. Now, they don't practice what they read in school or what they studied. Yeah, but today, the Minister of Works Department, Abia State, are always being proactive, always being purpose-driven, always being accountable, always deliver the best and not the best. This is Kebu TV. I don't come with them. This is few minutes after 8. While people are making efforts and also getting prepared to travel for U-Tides, His Excellency Dr. Leshoma Oti OFR, with his team of engineers from the Ministry of Works Department under direct level, are firing in ox cylinder. Over one good thing, this man like here, or like Rocco, a mom or angel of light. I got our rituals, Rocha. I got to get me pedals or metals. I can see local everywhere. Everywhere will be fully lighted up. Just on Sunday, I saw a reporter from this very site. Yes, Ndoki was from X here, Buriana Abia. So here are the extension, or should I say the ending point of this all important roads. An arrow. And the one good thing about street lighting is also enhance productivity and also enhance security and so many other things. Everywhere we aware about a dead forgettable zone and also a deplorable zone, an area no one Those give me those one word. Ghana comment section give His Excellency Dr. Leshoma Oti 1 word for him, one befitting word. Line up and then back to back the proximity and also the elimination of this lightning is something you can't forget. You can't just ignore no matter what. They don't know the lightning see. Korea no back to back. I guess we are the asphalting. Now everywhere Aba have been turned to a full construction site, and everybody, even road users are testifying. Even Holy Spirit is also testifying. Even people living around this axis are also testifying that all people can name it. So, yeah, we want to talk about just as the name implies, Kebu is all about gossip. Kebu is all about information. Kebu is all about gist. Kebu is also everywhere to make sure that this information will always get to you in good faith. Again, today is also, there's also a tremendous change of narrative in the history of Abia as they did the groundbreaking of the first of its kind Abia airport projects. Out of the airship, but the governor has said, all like the new line airship, they may use any go to standard airport so that back to back. So the governor make way enhance, add the boy. He made an upgrade and he made an appoint the Greenball construction can we carry on this project. So in no distant time, in less than 36 months, from now, will be 3 months, 3 years, sorry, Abia will also be having their own airport, standard airport. So just get ready, get your visas and also get your papers. Organize, you will be flying from all the way to any country direct to Abia. Yes, in Sulu, game village in Sulu itself, in Abia State. All not strategically located because we can be able to access Umuahia, be able from there to also access Aba and so many other localities. So all the strategically located in the heart of the city. So you know what you can put the basing and will rise to do. Then come after 8 or it never deter workers from hustling, from firing, from working, from delivering, from doing a lot. So on December, let it be that America because on our December, now can let us go away Joe for you. To like be the richer. So I will name to a reasonable conclusion, make to a sustainable ending. Make when I met one yamma. Oh, here be about today. Today will Tuesday, the 17th day of December, 2024. Here I watch you Kebu TV. I could go name. No, fully on grant. Machine operators also here, fully on grant. Any now they will just to make sure that Abia get its position as number 1 because we are always been known as number 1, and we have been doing so well. We are fully representing, and we are everywhere. We are number 1 intellectually. We are number 1 business-wise, economically, and also fundamentally. English in Kaba, so here now watching Kebu TV. All the earth moving machines are all available on the site. All the trucks are also fully available at the site. All the men on duty are fully available at the site. And my music will no sleeping tonight. We are going to fire back to back until we deliver on this project. And various projects here scattered in this very town. We are going to fire. We are going to do our best. We are going to deliver. We are going to drag them to a victory. So, along the road, very systematically and also strategic road that MHL grass administration with the quality Yoko, His Excellency Abia, Yoko back to back, front and back, everywhere. Then you can quietly drive. You can go where you want to go, come back when you want to come back. You have been molested, you have been intimidated, you have been harassed. So all I get you can even now where I give you sign, you may enjoy more labor to the all investors heaven, with all economic hub. Yes, commercial aspect of it, your nature not here. Security are fully guaranteed, and business has also trooping in mass. Investors are coming, business are also surviving. Rounding off the job, no jail too much, but now that are missing us, that are also expecting us. Not that now Ojo na Twani, you can every year and walk. You are ready to fire and also deliver on every project that's set. May encourage. Maybe His Excellency, I may appoint all these workmen, the workforce, and they deliver the everywhere. We all go and they quite appreciate it, and they so happy to witness this. This is the best time to become an Abian. This is the best time to welcome a massive development that is coming in Abia State back to back. This is the best time to align in this change mantra. This is the best time to be grateful to God for giving us a man as Dr. Les Chioma Oti, who have stood his ground and also keep on fulfilling not only his campaign promises, but far more than we expected. So Abians are all rejoicing, Abians are all happy. I see him. I just see him. Abians are celebrating. Abians are in a good mood. I was here, but the go for now. This is so Abians are all in a very good high spirit because of this transformation, because they have not seen something like this before. They have not witnessed, they have not seen this massive transformation, massive construction, massive rehabilitation, massive changes being witnessed in God's own state. So, in this time, we'll also be showing you some area shots and also some pictures of how this place was before. I'm not be able to be showing you so that you understand why we are grateful, why we are celebrating, why we are so happy. So keep commenting, keep reacting, keep following Kebu TV on various social media handles. We are here to give you the best. We are here because we are fully on grant. I am a new circle. I am not going to do business. But we tell you we will do this. We do it, we deliver without wasting time. So keep on watching Kebu TV. Stay on this dial, hook to this dial, and also keep on enjoying the information being dished out because they are verifiable, they are factual, they are real, they are in tandem with the happenings around because we are fully grounded. So, and now with the following information, Omenoko Bridge have been flagged up for massive reconstruction. So, you know, this time, Kebu will also be visiting those areas. Keep on watching, keep on supporting this dream. This is my passion. This is my platform. This is our TV. So keep on the support, keep on your prayers, and also organize the plan and ball ready for ready for the burial of my parents. I will also announce to you guys so that basically for all you guys support, because I've been trying my best to make sure that Abians all over the world get the best and nothing but the best. So only any way you can be able to support me so that I can be able to bury my parents and also my grandma who died. They all died this year. My parents died last month, while my grandmother died on June this same year. So and may their soul rest in peace. Keep it on Kebu TV. We'll give you the best. Today on my daughter's birthday. I'm going to celebrate that with her. You are watching Kebu TV. I love you all.